Hello everyone! Let's walk through how to enable the Afflr theme extension in your Shopify store. First, we need to ensure the Afflr extension is enabled in the theme for features like referral links, affiliate portal, sign-up forms, and thank you pages to function properly. So, once you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard and have opened the Afflr affiliate marketing application, you're probably on the Afflr affiliate marketing application dashboard. Let's assume you haven't enabled the theme app extension yet. In that situation, you'll notice a yellow alert box at the top of the panel. It will remind you to enable the Afflr theme extension to utilize certain features. To proceed, simply click on the Enable button. A pop-up will appear providing you with an Afflr key. You'll need to copy this key. After that, navigate to your theme editor for your Shopify theme. You can either click here on the Go to the Theme Editor button, which will redirect you directly to the page, or you can manually do so by clicking on the Online Store. Then, under the Theme section, click the Customize button on the current theme to arrive at the theme page. Once there, look for the App Embed section on the left-hand side. When you're in the right place, locate the Afflr extension for the Afflr affiliate marketing application and click the drop-down. Then, paste the Afflr key you copied earlier from the pop-up. After pasting the key, make sure to toggle the button to enable. Once that's done, click on the Save button. The Afflr extension is now enabled. That's how you embed your Afflr key and enable your Afflr theme extension in your Shopify store.